Hey everybody, this is Kevin with Texas Yard Man and More, and today I'm doing a video on pressure washing and how a simple pressure washer like this Husky 1550 psi pressure washer can make your concrete like brand new looking. And you can see all that dirt buildup that collects on this concrete. It's going to take that right off over here. And if you're anything like me, you like things to look neat and nice. So if you're one of those, this video is for you. You know what the power of water can do. You can see this board right here. Look how filthy it is. You can make this fence look brand new with a pressure washer. You don't even have to add soap. So I figured I would demonstrate that. And this hasn't been cleaned in a while, so before it gets too hot here in Texas, I decided to go ahead and just show you what it can do. So we've got the water turned on over here, and we've got it plugged in. Make sure your power cords are up and away from water, so it's going back that way. And we're just going to go ahead and pressure wash this, and I'll show you. The difference. So there you have it. That's an example of what high pressure water can do. Just take it right back to the concrete mush. So we're going to do here on the AC slab for the heat pump. There, it's right down to the concrete. So you can do the same thing on the sides here, get all that dirt and grime off of it, and you can see how fast it's done it. You can have this all cleaned up within a matter of minutes. I'm going to show you what it does to the fence here next. So you can see how dirty that is. So there you can see up close, when this dries, it looks just like the lumber did the day you built it. And you know, no sense in buying somebody to paint your fence or paying somebody to paint your fence. You can just pressure wash it, and then you could also just roll it or spray it yourself, save yourself a lot of money. So I highly recommend you pressure wash your concrete. You can do your driveway, and every couple years or so I do this, depending on how dirty it gets. And I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like when I finish up. So be back in a minute. All right, we're back, and this literally took me 15 minutes to do all this. So I only did a little portion of the fence just to show you. I went all the way from the top down to the bottom. Did the cross beams, and once this dries, it's not gonna look as dark. It'll be back to its natural color. I also did the 4x4, and I went along the base of the house, and I did all of the slab, including the sides. So I did the front, and that's probably a 5x5 slab. And then I did behind it, all that, all the way along here to the base of the house, the foundation, and I stopped right here at this corner. And so just wanted to show you how quickly you can do this, and makes it look so much better. So a lot of people have homes that are made of stone that get that black buildup on them. It could be cleaned up and looking brand new again if you just take a little bit of time. And like I said, all I used was water and a small pressure washer that I've had for over 10 years now. This thing has served me well. I think I paid $168 for it back then, and I think they're pretty comparable today. They don't cost a whole lot, maybe a little bit more, but anyhow, just wanted to show you how pressure washing can beautify your house. If you like this video, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for any future videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.